the questioners. Today we're going to learn about volcanoes. Like this. Is it in gray? It's the picture of the Philippines. This planet is a volcano. It erupts. And these little dinosaurs walking, they erupted and boom! They erupt lava. Lava was descended by the volcano that was hot as it gets. That's what happened to the Earth. Let's look at the meteorites. We need rock containers. And next, we need a bottle. Next, we need some cardboard. Paint and colors. Blue and red. That's what we need. And it makes orange. Green. Orange. Purple. It makes purple. And next we need some old paper. And we also need a paper bag. We need some cloth. We need plaster. We need scissors because scissors are very sharp, so use an adult to help you. First, you need an adult to help you cut a big round circle, but not very big. Ta-da! Here's the big circle. Step 2. Cut 2 strips of your cardboard. Here's one I made earlier. Ta-da! Step 3. Put a round shaped circle on your container. So step 4. Put sticky tape in the bottle and first put the sticky tape on the circle. Step 5. Put the strips on the bottle. Ta-da! You need to put mat on the table so that the water doesn't go over around the place. And we need glue and water to mix it in. You need to put the glue in the container. Look how I'm doing it. Side and mix. Ta-da! First, we mix it well. You got it. You put your paper inside, but not too big. Put that in. Build it up, and build it up high. Ta-da! Like this. First, we need to cut the cloths in strips, and you have to add an adult to help you. Thank you, adult. You need to mix your plaster with water. We mix it. See how I'm mixing? Make sure we cover your volcano. So you need an adult to help you dip it inside. Here is the volcano, and we need it to try for 3 days. And let's count. 1, 2, 3. Hello, questioner. Kids, let's paint a volcano. So it's brown. So how does a volcano work? So you mix it until it gets brown. You can make it. And here you go. So here's the volcano looks like. So this is what a volcano looks like. Yes, it's some furry trumpet parts. So mix the paint like this. Until you get some paint, you paint this. The volcanoes are erupting eruptions. Some volcanoes live in the sea. This is going tired. Maybe I should do this. I should do that with my finger. That's better. The volcanoes come from Vulcan. Some volcanoes erupted with lava and Vulcan. Vulcan is the god of fire. So this is what we have so far. We're waiting for it to dry. And we need the grass too. Step 2. How do we wrap this? So we need grass because every people lived in the upper close to the side of the volcanoes. So we need grass. Here it is, the grass of the trees. And don't forget, here's some greens on the white spots too. Because trees always grow on the volcanoes too. In the prehistoric dinosaurs, we appeared as multi-humans. Yeah! Next step. So, we need a volcano to erupt, but let it dry. Tick-tock, 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 tick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. But before we make our volcano erupt, we need to mix it up. So here's what we need. Food paint, bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble sound.
Bless you.
The muscles, come on muscles, stronger. Now we need red. Next one, baby soda. Baking soda. It makes babies glitter for the check days. Here's our water, but never drink it because it turns you into a kill monster and everybody will rage. They will turn you, if you drink it, you will turn into a zombie. I'll be very spooky. You need a bowl and a spoon. Here's my hat. And we put it to the deep water mixture. Make it. This is vinegar. It smells great. So we put it here. And make it bubbly. Here's the dishwasher. You use it and dip it into the water. That's warm. You need the red color. Red color makes the volcano. Oh! It is in extinction. Need some yellow to pour it in. Put it inside. Now your mixed color, yellow. I'm mixing. Why are you mixing it? Can you eat that? No. I should never eat this. Okay. Now we're gonna stand up some dinosaurs in the volcano. Come on, dinosaurs. Fluffy like a unicorn. The dinosaurs are cute. And fluffy like a dinosaur. Please stand up for me. Please stand up for me, dinosaurs. What is doing? dinosaurs. They have no fever and they never sand. You need to mix this and pour it into the volcano. So we need baking soda to go on the tissue. You mean cheese, chocolate. Da 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 da. Where is it going? I've never seen that lava before. Uh-oh, it's heading for the Brachiosaurus. It's going slow. Ah! Okay, just gonna move. And look, Daddy, now the invented a volcano. It's dying. The volcano's been around 65 million years till everyone found the bottle.